supporters of mask mandates in schools look to stats like this to show why they feel kids need to wear a mask.
Just last night, the Tri-County Health Department that serves Arapahoe, Adams, and Douglas counties decided to require masks for all students. And it says counties cannot opt out at this time. We want to bring in Kelly Werthmann. Kelly, Tri-County's Executive Health Director told you the order is a direct response to that jump in cases.
Well, it's a threefold issue here, Jim. He says it's that data that you just shared, that unsettling data, combined with the need to protect kids and stop the spread of the virus, as well as prevent another school year from being disrupted by remote learning.
Things got a lot better, and now they're getting a lot worse.
COVID cases among Colorado kids are rising, as are tensions about masks in schools. But for Tri-County Health's executive director, mandating masks in the classroom is necessary.
I have the statutory duty and responsibility to act, and I felt like I didn't have a choice.
Dr. John Douglas says even though many eligible students are getting vaccinated, the virus is spreading. Wearing masks, he says, will assure their education is not disrupted.
We had a terrible year last year. Lots of remote learning, lots of isolation.
That isolation drove up anxiety and depression among kids. So after consulting pediatricians and mental health experts, Dr. Douglas decided masks are best for students' mental and physical well-being.
It's a lot better to see half of your peer's face than to not see your peer's face at all.
What happens, though, doctor, if this mask mandate doesn't actually help with reducing the number of cases within our schools? Do we go back to remote learning?
Well, God forbid. That would be the last thing I'd want to see us do.
Instead, he says they'd consider quarantine options or possibly intermittent remote learning. For now, it's back to masks for everyone.
So it clearly sucks. Delta sucks. The whole COVID thing sucks. But we got to deal with it. And this is the best way you can deal with it and have the best year possible.
Now, that mask mandate goes into effect tomorrow and is expected to last at least through the end of this year. Now, as you mentioned, Jim and Karen, that this new order does not allow for the counties, Arapahoe, Douglas, or Adams, to opt out of this public health order. Dr. Douglas is going to explain why, coming up on CBS 4 News at 6. For now, we're reporting live in Arapahoe County. Kelly Werthmann covering Colorado First.
Kelly.